Everyone's back. Mostly all of us is back. Okay, so हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि ट्रांसपोर्ट हम लोग कंपेयर कर रहे थे बेसिकली ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड लाइफ स्टॉक कंजम्पशन को कि कितना that is a different topic, but I'm just giving a comparison here कि दोनों से ही 14 to 15% ग्रीन हाउस गैस का एमिशन होता है. तो अगर हम लोग कंसिडर कर रहे हैं कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को हम लोग इको फ्रेंडली बनाए, तो हम लोग को इधर भी कंसिडर करना मतलब करना चाहिए कि हम लोग लाइफ मतलब फ्रॉम ईटिंग लाइफ स्टॉक वी शुड गो टू ईटिंग.
But let's agree on the livestock part, no? That's what I'm saying. This is a different topic. वो अभी उसमें अलग level पे चले जाएंगे फिर हम.
चलिए ठीक है.
Let's okay. One line from each one person. Is vegan going to improve biodiversity? If yes, why? If not, why? That's it. 1 or 2 line max.
Okay, so can I say?
Yeah, sure.
So I think going vegan would surely end animal cruelty in some way, but of course it will give it will not affect biodiversity as it is affecting now. But there are many more factors contributing in the ruining of biodiversity. So going vegan would not be the only solution, but it must affect them that in some way. It would be beneficial in some way, surely.
So Suhani is saying it will affect, but she's not sure how much it will affect going vegan. It may be a very small percentage. Am I right? Yeah, okay. Ankur?
I think that if we stop eating animals, then it will not affect biodiversity. But if we...
You're inaudible.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you repeat?
But if we stop using animal goods made from animal product, then it will surely affect biodiversity.
Okay, great. Pushpa?
Actually, I'm indifferent. I don't know, but there are both positives and negatives of this fact, but I can't say. I mean,
okay, say positive and negative.
Really, I'm not sure.
Say one line of each. Why is it positive? Why is it negative?
Okay, so I think if we stop eating animals, I mean, I think that will disrupt the balance. I mean, I think we're already in a balance, right? So I think that will disrupt the balance if we stop eating. But as Ankur said, that if we stop using animal products, that will in turn help. I mean, animals will. There will be more percentage of animals on this earth, and that will in turn help biodiversity function well.
Okay.
Why do you think? I mean, like stopping to use animal products is worse. I mean, it's better as compared to eating. I mean, how is it same?
I'm not saying it is same.
I mean, not same. Like how is one more heavier and
how is it one?
Both are like both are towards.
Actually, see, I don't have strong arguments to support my answer. I mean,
even I don't have.
Really,
I'm trying to understand.
I really am indifferent right now.
Okay.
I really am indifferent right now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Actually, if we stop eating, then actually the animals eat like the animals produced by animal husbandries, like pigs and chicken and whatever. They are produced for the eating only. Their sole purpose for their birth is just for consumption by the humans. But the industry which is running on the products made from animal, like animal skin, bones, they are causing much more damage to the biodiversity. Like do you know that the most threatened species on this earth is like it looks like an armadillo. I don't actually know its actual name. So we don't eat them, but we use them, the products made from their skin or bones so much that they are going to be extinct. So I think stop eating is not a solution, but stop using products is definitely a solution.
Okay, so let me reiterate what you said and if I got it correctly. So you mean like the animal products that we use are basically from those animals who are either in limited quantity or who are on the verge of getting extinct or etc. etc. But
Yes,
the
yes,
animal food that you are eating are supposed to be produced for the consumption. So if
yes,
a
of
chicken is
course.
being brought in this world, the whole purpose of that chicken is to get killed and, I mean,
Eaten.
be
Yes,
eaten.
of course.
Okay,
Actually,
but
that's
yeah,
actually that species are made by us human. They don't exist in this world naturally. Like if you know that crossbreeding of cows, we only select those species which which will give more milk, and we
exactly the
crossbreeded
whole
them.
point. So the whole point is if the humans stop demanding so much of milk, there will be no crossbreeding of the cows, and though they correct. So like you said कि
Yes, yes.
chickens का whole I mean purpose होता है for being eaten, तो उनके लिए we have to provide them with food so that they can be healthy enough, food, water, shelter, everything. Don't you
Yes,
think that that is a factor
yes.
that is affecting biodiversity in terms of the water resources or area or everything? Like
Deforestation.
is it a factor that might affect the biodiversity? Like if you go long chain, not like directly कि chicken का purpose है of being eaten. ठीक है, I agree to it. कि not agree to it, but I buy that concept for a while. But उसके लिए उनको पैदा करने के लिए you have to provide them a lot of things, and for that you are using the resources. No.
Actually, recently, I was watching a show on
Okay.
Discovery. They have many years in US and in developed country. They have developed a method like they one one
I
moment,
think
please.
your
I think it's
voice
plant
is
meat,
not clear.
plant-based meat.
Hello.
Yeah, can you repeat?
Actually, they have developed a system for keeping chickens like multi-stored buildings. They that consume very small area, and they are set up many filters and all kind of machines so they can use their waste product again and again, uh,
Okay.
with which it is very sustainable to produce meat.
Okay.
I don't think that area and water and all the stuff is
Okay,
a
okay,
big
fine. I think
issue.
let others also contribute to the
Contribute, yeah.
topic. So who would like to go next? Anushka, maybe.
Yeah, Gudia, you were saying something like about plant-based meat.
Yeah, I heard of a plant-based meat. A Netherlands farmer has developed a technique in which he produced meat with no blood at the floor. Means just from using, not using that flesh and anything else, not by killing it, but by using it, they produce meat. That's a very good substitute, I think.
Okay, so Gudia, what is your
But that
opinion
substitute,
of eating non-meat, and why is it going to help and not help biodiversity?
yeah, please, anyone? Akanshi?
think going
Okay,
only help in our only it is helpful for ourselves. Like I have read somewhere that eating meat per day is more harmful than smoking cigarette every day. It led to health issues. In our freeze we put some things like meat which will lead to our the detouring our health issues, but smoking cigarette is less harmful than eating meat. So I think so it is only for ourselves. It will not much more affect our biodiversity or help in preserving that, but it will lead to help in our health issue, which will be benefited by this. And vegan can let us be calm and make us less angry. If we go for vegan vegetarian diet, we will become calm, cool, and it will not only it will help us becoming less stressful. So I don't think so that it will put much more effect in preserving biodiversity.
So, Kanshi, what would you exactly want to say, that a person who is eating meat and all are more angry and used to shout at everyone? Like, I want to ask you, you took.
No, it's a research only. I'm not telling that.
Fine.
Personally,
She's getting
You are
offended.
getting angry.
no,
You're
that's
proving a point.
Okay, jokes apart.
Jokes apart. Yeah.
No, actually, Akanshi, I'm not taking it otherwise exactly. As Akanshi told that a person who is vegan are more calm, have more patience. Then I don't think that even I'm also a non-vegan, one who used to eat meat and all. I don't think.
Vegetarian and I'm not calm.
taking it this in wrong way. I'm not pointing to you. It's a research.
Okay.
It's a research.
Even I'm not taking, Akanshi, even I'm not telling that you are pointing me. I'm just asking that what you told, it is really is it really a counterpoint that even I'm a non-vegetarian, but I don't show always my anger to the people, right? Anyways, what I want to say that our topic is what? Would vegan going to preserve biodiversity, right? So I think that focusing on this topic, that we should start being vegan is better, can be more better if we think about saving our environment and biodiversity by other factors, like by doing some things that is really benefited to nature and all. So I think that instead of focusing on the factor that being a vegan would save to the biodiversity, we should factor on other factors that is really worth it for saving the biodiversity. And yes, it is also there that if we'll start being a vegan, it will somehow give the positive impact to the environment, but not in a great extent. So that's I want to say.
Okay, what are the other factors which you think could greatly affect the environment?
What are the other factors? Means what are the other positive factors?
Yeah, the positive factors.
Yeah, there are so many positive.
That
Yes, Akanshi?
meat creates inflammatory enzymes which lead to which create stress enzymes in our bodies. So that's why I was adding that point.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. Yeah, so, but Anushka, I was asking you, what are the other factors? Like, I can think of, what are the other factors which will affect the climate change or biodiversity? Some of the negative factors which I can think of is deforestation and
Population.
These are some negative factors like deforestation. So the positive factors must be of afforestation and using some eco-friendly gases. And as you told about the transportation, so it would be also help in a great way if we stop consuming the harmful gases and start using the eco-friendly gases. That will definitely affect the environment in a positive way. Plantation, that we have plantation, and there are so many ways to preserve biodiversity. If each of us start thinking of biodiversity in a positive way, like plantation and anything else, putting garbages at the proper place and proper disposal should be there, then definitely it would be affect biodiversity in a good way. And I accept that it's not possible to make each and every people understand that they should be very concerned towards biodiversity by their own effort. But I don't think that it is also possible to make a non-vegan into vegan in order to preserve biodiversity.
But Anushka, you know what the problem is? We
What?
simply think that why should I listen to you? Are you PM, CM, or any political leader?
That's true.
And one very famous excuse we simply give to any matter, that is, I have right to do so. We have been given right to do anything by our constitution.
Just because we have the right, we don't think of making a change in ourselves. Am I right, Gudiya?
No, you have. We simply react to it like that. Our mentality had been like that. ऐसा सोच हो गया हम लोग का. Whenever someone asks us to make change on us, we simply give these excuses to them.
Like I want to say something, that every people have their individual mindset. Some things that in order to preserve biodiversity, we can do something that is related completely with nature, and somebody comparatively think different, that being a vegan we can preserve biodiversity. So I don't wanna counter more on this discussion, because I don't have a strong view over this, that every people have different mindsets, so I don't think.
I think a lot of us have got confused. If I agree to this topic, I would have to change myself to vegan. That's not the case.
Yeah,
Even
but-
if I am agreeing that this might be a good cause to the environment, I might not transform into a vegan. So let's just probably discuss, like, will it be helpful and will it not be helpful? No one is forced to change their like or dislike towards meat or any dairy product. What say?
Yeah,
Balance is important.
Balance.
exactly.
Perfect. Swani, you haven't spoken quite some time.
I've been listening to all the points.
Let's just add one point. This is also what I heard in a YouTube video. It was a video which said about 25% of the global climate change is attributed to food consumption. Yes.
Is attributed
To food consumption. Yeah.
Food consumption.
Yes.
And
About-
what?
So should we stop consuming food?
Yeah. Should we
खाना छोड़ दो, चलना छोड़ दो, खाना छोड़ दो,
खाना छोड़ देते हैं, चल।
दुनिया छोड़ दो, दुनिया ही छोड़ देते हैं हम।
हाँ, दुनिया
भूखे
छोड़ के
वाले-
जाएंगे, एक ना एक बार तो जाएंगे दुनिया छोड़ के।
Okay, let's just calm down.
अगर ऐसा चलता है तो
Line by
जाएंगे।
line. But line by line.
Line by line.
Line by line.
Anchor has gone angry.
That
Oh,
is
I'm not
very-
the anchor. Okay, fine. Yeah. So, any more points? Anyone want to give?
I want to ask a simple question.
Yeah.
If being non-vegetarian is so worthy, then why we prefer to feed the animals which we are going to eat in future roots over meat? We feed them with roots, with the plants, over the meat feeding to them. Why don't we feed them with the meat?
You feed them with meat.
Gudiya, would you please repeat your question?
For them to be healthy, we feed them plant products, but we eat them.
So technically, we eat both.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
but
but it also depends which animal you're talking about, right? If the animal is not non-vegetarian, you can't just eat meat, feed them meat.
Maybe the animals are vegan.
Yeah, correct.
okay, can anyone give me an example of any animal which the humans eat and they eat other animals? Like they are carnivores.
Have you been to
Dogs.
China?
Yeah,
Dogs.
man. Like
Go
China,
to China.
come on. They can eat
I'm just-
anything in it.
I'm just asking for some examples. I don't know anything.
Anything and everything.
Can you?
Can you repeat your question?
Yeah, I was asking. Can anyone give me an example of any animal which we eat who eats another animal?
The reason why you think like that is because in India we eat very few animals. are not the minority. Being a Jain, we are even less exposed. But if you go to other countries, especially to countries like Japan and China, they eat from crocodile to all kinds of things. I have seen Chinese people eating crocodiles' babies.
So, what is our conclusion?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Even people from Nagaland, they prefer eating dog's meat.
Yeah, dog is it's a delicious food.
Yeah.
Chinese.
Have you eaten? Have you eaten it?
I've seen people eating dog brain. So.
Dog brain.
Oh my god.
Wow. कुत्ते की दिमाग खा के
अपना दिमाग बढ़ा रहे.
Nice.
When bacon is so famous in the US, it's basically pig meat. That's also something people like to eat. Not in India, but foreign.
Yeah.
But pig is a vegetarian. It's not counted.
Yeah, that does not. But still.
Okay.
Okay, and I think that it's already 5 o'clock and the time is also over. So let's just give a closing argument and we will be finished with today's debate. Yeah, so Akanshi, would you like to say something?
I just think being vegan is having only benefits of health. Not it will obviously help in preserving biodiversity, but in very little a small percentage it will affect. I think so. What I conclude.
Okay, Vishakha, you?
I am also agree from her. Eating vegan diet is healthy for our health too and for the environment.
Okay. Suhani?
I think it totally depends on people's choice. Going vegan would be beneficial to some extent, but I can't say it would be beneficial for a very large extent.
Okay, Ankur?
We can't tell people what to eat and what not to eat, but we can surely tell them one thing, that please don't hurt those species which were on the verge of extinction already. That's all.
Anushka? Inaudible.
So what I was saying that at this point, I don't want to say something more. It's just that everything has two aspects, cons and pros. So we need to think that what we should do or not. So that's what I want to say.
Gudiya?
We must try to make positive mindset change. और लोगों की थोड़ी positive mindset बनाने की कोशिश करना चाहिए. Everything depends on our mind, and the more we are getting qualification, the more we are behaving like we are uneducated.
Pushpa?
I think we should eat animals for our needs, not for our wants.
We should what?
For a need, not for a wants. Need happen.
Okay.
Okay. And what are your opinions, Mrs. Ayushi Jain? And
I don't know. I think it's a good topic, and I really need to study more on how actually being vegan or non-vegan is going to impact the biodiversity. I am inclined towards that. Yes, it affects, but I still don't have the facts to prove myself. So I'll probably read more on that. Good session.
I think we have lack of knowledge about this topic.
Correct.
Exactly. I'm totally agree.
We were fighting because it was more of like a vegetarian versus non-vegetarian fight.
That's
true.
हम लोग में से कोई vegan नहीं है, सब vegetarian और non-vegetarian है.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a good. Maybe after a year we'll come back and
We do this.
redo this
We
topic.
will try. Let's hope.
Yeah. Okay, so मेरा तो थॉट यही है कि ऑफ कोर्स मैं तो वीगन नहीं हो सकती. I can't.
Cheese lover.
Cheese.
I can't be. I am a cheese lover, butter lover, milk lover, so I can't be a vegan for sure. But in the future, I might become a vegan when I see how seriously it impacts the environment. I might be because I love my environment as well. So yeah, this is how we end, and let's hope to see all of you in the next session as well. Until then,
Bye-bye.
Bye. It was
Bye.
lovely
Bye-bye. Stay
interacting
safe.
with you all.
Great
See
talking.
you guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye, all of you.
Bye.